Welcome back, good people. Welcome back. This is your good brother, your host, Nasut Imamo Atumre. And I wanted to continue on with this series I thought about, Profitable Fridays. And for today, I'm going to use Bitcoin as my Profitable Fridays because today is a and I want to get to it real quick because I see some things happening. But today on Friday, October the 8th, it is going to be a lot of fireworks, what we call fireworks. Me checking the weather before I fly my kite today. Plug. If you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. Very important. But today they have some Canadian and U.S. news, and very important. They have this U.S. news, the non-farm, the unemployment rates. So that's going to bring a lot of energy, a lot of erratic movement to the markets today. So I think I'm gonna kind of lay low, watch myself. The cautious man is a patient man. A patient man is a successful man or woman, right? So we're gonna take that heat. But today I'm gonna show off my Bitcoin trade. Today is cryptocurrency, right? Because I don't see too much going on. And last night I seen a really great setup, something that we teach in the course, things that to look for. And this is a great teaching tool for me today because this allows me to show you that our system, or the way how we perceive the market, the way how we look at the market, our thoughts on how the market is moving, works on all financial markets. It don't have to be, I know you see me and I like to do a lot of Forex, foreign exchange, but this could work on precious metals, you name it, precious metals, cryptocurrency, as I'm going to say today, Nike, Amazon, anything that you think about, vaccination shots, you could, it's pretty much all the same. The market is going to do the same thing. To us, it's simple supply and demand, but we really break it down. And so last night, to kind of give you a quick overview of what we seen, this red little area here is an area that we was looking for some sell reaction. Doesn't mean that Bitcoin is doing bad. It's just letting us know that in this particular area, we might need to be a little bit more cautious than before. As you can see, the market has been running up a couple of days. It's been doing very good. So going into it, down to our lower time frames or lower universes, we are looking, and we noticed that they was trapping traders, something that KTG literally looks for, and we make a move on trap traders. And right in this area, without going too deep into it, let's use this. Without going too deep into it, in this area, we have trap traders. Really simple setup, really simple trade. Go to my MT4, and you can see that in that same area is where I entered. Now, with other skills that we have, as far as you notice, we have our volume settings down here. A lot of traders do not use volume because they don't know how to use the volume. But real quick, let me show you why I am going to move my stop loss up and put a little bit of this money in my pocket, that the profits that we took, and not just allow it to do whatever it want to do, so to speak. So right here, elephant in the room, you would notice that we have very high volume. Very high volume at very high prices, or in this case, in this sequence, the highest price for a while. Higher prices did seem like it attracted some sellers. As you can see, they're now making their way down. So when we see things like this is an indication that we need to probably switch up on some of our stuff. maybe tighten up on some of our stop losses, mitigate some of our losses. In this case, as I go to my MT4, I am not at a loss. I'm actually in profit. Not much, but hey, all money in, no money out. We definitely live by that. So everything is profit at this point. And I've already moved my stop loss, my risk off the table, and actually moved it to what we call a free trade, which means that if anything happens, the worst thing that could happen to me on this trade right now is that I would end up putting $1 in my pocket. I won't lose any money, right? I move my risk off the table. I can literally allow the market to do what it wants to do. But in this case, because I've seen that high volume, right, and I'm not really sure exactly what they want to do, I think I want to go ahead and move my stop loss up a little bit more and just go ahead and maybe take a little bit more for myself and leave some room for the market to continue up, because I do believe Bitcoin will continue to rise. So right now I put $8.97 in my pocket. Of course, minus my fees. It's okay. It's not a problem. And I'm allowed the rest of it to ride till we get to where we want to get to, which is I'm looking forward to probably going ahead and putting about $70 to $80 in my pocket from this particular trade. This is my target. So with that, like I said, I didn't want to be overly long-winded. Just give me another chance to plug the university. www.ktg-university.thinkific.com. And yeah, man, come and join us. We are the first all black, highly carbonated, melanated community that dedicate all of their services and time and resources for the black nation. Come give us a try. We do have the Discord, our community help center, and yeah. Thank you. Uncle Josuneb, which just means we wishing you long, everlasting life, prosperity, and of course, good health. And one more important thing. If you don't get your lessons from KTG, we both lose money.